Welcome to my tiny home on the river. She was born in 2001 and came to live with us in 2005. She's on a floating dock in the St. Johns River. Miss Louise is her name. She's a riverboat, a motor vessel. She's our home. On the outside, she's very modern, but the inside is pretty much lost in the 70s. Lots of paneling. This is the main stateroom, or bedroom. There's a lot of paneling here. I'd like to do something different with this wall. Maybe a bookshelf. The reflection off of the mirror shows more paneling, pocket door, closet door, and then there's more paneling. The husband fears change. I'd really like a bookshelf. Not enough room, and books would fall off the wall going down the river. So, why not put a fabric bookshelf up on the wall? The husband fears change, so let's not tell him yet. If I can manage to get this pulled off before he gets home, he'll love it. So I ironed it upside down, lowest setting. Don't wash it first, it'll fade out. I've never done a print before. I usually just do fabric. And the way I adhere it to the wall is with Stay Flow liquid starch, or you could make your own liquid starch. I use 100% starch. Prep the wall just by cleaning. No sanding. You want to be able to pull it off. I hung it up there with thumbtacks, and I liked how it looked. It's necessary to pry the trim away from the wall so you can sneak the edges up around the wall. Tools of the trade: spatula, screwdriver, tacks, hammer, and of course an application process to put your fabric softener or your starch on the wall. Looks good. I'm going to have to be careful. Saturate the entire wall as much as it will take with your liquid starch. I wasn't too happy with the imprint that came across from the paneling, but the next day, look, the watermark is gone, it's dry, it looks like a bookshelf. Now, the other side of the room, this footboard. No, honey, it's okay. I'm just thinking. He's sort of like the bookshelf, but I don't know. He does fear change. Another bookshelf? Too much. I'd like to do wainscot, but I don't know. That's just more wood. But it would be different wood. The hallway to the bedroom needs to be continuous. To draw the eye, to change the shape, maybe it won't make it look so small, even though this is a tiny living quarter. Let me think. Wainscot, wood. Why not more fabric? It's okay, honey. It's okay. Nothing going on here. Just watch your Tesla factory being built in Texas. Go on YouTube. It's okay. So, hang up the fabric just as before. Adhere it to the wall. You're going to have to be careful about those stripes, that they stay straight. So I need to put the starch on carefully and pull the fabric down. And why not this little section too? Prior to putting the starch on, I secured the fabric behind the trim. Okay. I'm liking it. Yes, that will work well. Just saturate that. It'll stick. This is all good. Here goes nothing. Cut out the outlet after you've adhered the fabric to the wall. Looking good. It does need trim. Ooh, happy accident. It felt like wood once it dried. Who knew? Wow, that came out pretty darn good. And the husband agrees. Lowe's and Home Depot both sell cheap trim. Light sanding is warranted. Flat on one side, this will work. I need to stain it. I learned the last time my paneling is 2 different shades. So I have Minwax stain. The driftwood was 2 driftwood, and the one other shade was 2 red. So I combined them. I'll let you judge if it came out okay. Not too bad. I do say so myself. Matched up pretty well. Voila. Now how does it look from the hallway to the stateroom? Lovely. And that came out well too. Now for the hat room, the children's playroom and sleep room, grandkids when they come over. But the opposing wall leaves a lot to be desired. Grandkids' sleeping room. Watch, nothing going on in here, honey. It's okay, just thinking. Don't worry. I'm gonna pull this off. I don't want another bookshelf. Grandkids, what would they like? I know. Why not a starship room? Yeah, that's a great idea. Not too happy with this fabric. It's not fabric, it's a polyester with a coating. I'm not sure if this is going to stick or not. Cover up the vent holes because the air will come up under the fabric. Well, this is encouraging. I can see the paneling coming through as a watermark. So it must be adhering, even though it's not a porous fabric. This one has been very difficult to put on. I don't recommend it. But man, it sure is cute. And the kids won't notice if it's not perfect. Well, one of them will, because he's just like his grandfather. Oh, you got some blisters in there. Okay, here's how you sneak it up under the trim. Do not use a flathead screwdriver to slip your fabric under. It could cause a hole. Make sure your trim is poked out far enough so that you can get your spatula under there. Don't use a screwdriver. You'll poke a hole in it. Get careful. Oh, jeez. Why don't I listen to myself? I've poked a hole in these before. It's not gonna work. Stop. Get the spatula. Oh, God. Nothing's going on here. I'm just talking to myself, dear. Go watch YouTube. Put your headless phones on. Or your wireless headset, whatever it's called. Yeah, it's all good. Well, that was close. Oh, jeez. Don't recommend this fabric. Well, it's all good. It's just the grandkids. Okay, hammer that on. There we go. It's fun. It'll be fine. How about a reveal? Remember how it looked before? Well, tell me in the comments, is it too busy? Was it a win? Was it a fail? I'll let you know a secret. This was 3 months later. I wanted to be transparent in the reveal so that you would know exactly how this product performs. And I couldn't be happier. The fabric or cotton has adhered perfectly to the wall. No blemishes, no changes with heat or cold. I love the reflection in the mirror that shows another bookshelf instead of more paneling. And I've noticed less dust because it's a smooth surface, whereas before the paneling would always catch dust. No problem with general wear and tear. I don't have to be careful about it. I don't even really think about it being there. It has adhered so well to the paneling. And look at that detail and depth. It's three-dimensional. Really makes this small room look larger. Let me give you the view here. This is I've fallen and I can't get up view. Love it. Glad that I included the hallway in my decision. Oh, as for the husband, well, he likes it, but he's a little pouty. Why didn't I get a starship? All I got was a bookshelf. Jeez. You gotta love him. The performance in this hallway, no problem. I still plug up everything. I don't even think about it being there. I don't have to be careful at all. It doesn't. It's adhered. It's like wallpaper at this point. I close the pocket doors to get a perspective of walking down the hall, and I like how it looks. Up in the grandkids' sleeping room, aka the hat room, reading room, as you can see, I have a little blistering with this particular backdrop, but it's okay. Here are my Amazon purchases. At the top are the 2 polyester fabric products that I used. That's not my first choice for using starch. You could just tack them up though, they would look perfect. But if you get porous fabric or any kind of fabric, it will adhere. There's other applications also for this process. This was my son's RV bathroom, and I think this shower curtain came out perfectly. You need to get a cotton fabric shower curtain, but the silk tapestry was the best that covered the entertainment center wall. Same process, liquid starch. Thanks for stopping by. I think I'll set a spell and watch the river pass by.